Complete Umrah Guide from the UK, step-by-step process. Step 1. Visa application types of visas for Umrah Tourist Visa. Recommended, available for UK passport holders. Can be used for Umrah, but not for Hajj. Easy online application, Umrah Visa, through an agent. Specific for Umrah, usually requires booking through a travel agent. Limited validity and additional requirements. How to apply for a tourist visa. Apply online via the Saudi eVisa portal or through a registered travel agency. Required documents. Valid UK passport, 6+ months validity. Recent passport-sized photo. Proof of accommodation and return flight details may be asked. Processing time, usually 24 to 72 hours. Cost, $100, $150, varies. Tip, apply early to avoid last-minute issues. Step 2. Booking flights. Best airlines from the UK to Saudi Arabia. Direct flights. Saudia Airlines, British Airways, connecting flights, Qatar Airways, Emirates, Turkish Airlines, cheaper options. Key travel considerations, arrival options, Jeddah, for Makkah, or Medina Airport. Luggage rules, ihram clothing, prayer essentials, and a small travel bag. Best time to book, 3 to 4 months in advance for cheaper fares. Tip, if landing in Jeddah, arrange transport to Makkah in advance.
Step 3. Accommodation and local transport. Best places to stay near Masjid al-Haram, Makkah, Hilton, Swiss Hotel, Fairmont, Premium. Budget options. Hotels in Azizia, cheaper but slightly far. Medina, stays. Look for hotels near Masjid an-Nabawi for easy access. Transport in Saudi Arabia. Haram shuttle services. Free paid buses available. Taxis and Uber, widely available for convenience. Train. High-speed Haramain train for Jeddah to Makkah. Har Medina travel. Tip, book your hotel early, especially during Ramadan. Step 4. Preparing for Umrah. Ihram and Niyyah. Intention. Men. 2 white cloths. Ihram. Women. Modest Islamic clothing. No specific dress, but no face covering. Where to wear ihram? If flying, wear ihram before crossing Miqah. Airlines often announce. If traveling by road, stop at Miqat points, e.g. Dhul Hulaifa for Medina route. Basic steps of Umrah Niyyah. Intention. Labaik, Allahumma Umrah. O Allah, I respond to your call for Umrah. Tawaf, circumambulation. Walk 7 times around the Kaaba counterclockwise. Sa'i, walking between Safa and Marwa. Walk 7 times between the hills of Safa and Marwa. Halq, taksir, shaving, trimming hair. Men, shave or trim hair. Women, cut a small portion of hair. Tip, perform tawaf at non-peak hours, late night in early morning to avoid crowds. Step 5. Umrah. During Ramadan. Special considerations. Best time for Umrah. After iftar or during late night hours. Sehri. And iftar. Free meals available in Haram, but arrive early for a good spot. Taraweeh and Qiyamul Layl. Experience the powerful prayers at Masjid al-Haram and Masjid an-Nabawi. Laylatul Qadr nights. Stay in the Haram for maximum blessings. Tip, stay hydrated and rest between prayers. Step 6. Returning to the UK. Departure from Jeddah Medina Airport. Arrive 3 to 4 hours before flight. Shopping. Buy Islamic souvenirs, Zamzam water, available at airports. Final reflections. Maintain your spiritual connection even after returning home. Share your experience with family and friends. Please like, share, and subscribe for more helpful travel content, and to ask questions and comments.